Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore how to set media upload quality to HD on WhatsApp Web on your PC after the new update. If you often send photos or videos through WhatsApp on your computer and want them to look sharper, clearer, and more professional, this quick guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting the official website and linking your phone if you haven't already. Once everything is loaded and you're looking at your chats, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice a small gear icon. It's your settings menu. Click on that to open the main settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll see several options for your account, notifications, and more. For this process, select the section labeled Chats. This is where you'll find different options related to your conversation preferences, including how your media files are handled. Once you're in the chat settings, look for an option called Media Upload Quality. This is the new feature added in the latest update that allows you to control the quality of the photos and videos you send. Previously, WhatsApp Web automatically compressed your media, which often reduced its clarity. Now, you can choose the quality manually. Click on Media Upload Quality and you'll see a few choices: Auto, Data Saver, and HD Quality. To make sure your pictures and videos stay crisp and detailed, select HD Quality. This ensures your uploads maintain a higher resolution and look as good on your recipient's screen as they do on yours. After selecting HD Quality, your settings will be saved automatically. You don't need to restart or reload anything. From now on, every time you send media from WhatsApp Web, it will use the new HD setting you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully set media upload quality to HD on WhatsApp Web. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how your content is shared and viewed. Thanks for watching.